Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix we suspended your Instagram account 180 days. They will show you a page just like this when they suspend your account, and now what you should do is to simply click on your Chrome or any browser that you have. Then you should search here for Instagram support. So once you search for Instagram support, you should click on this option right here, the first one, Instagram Help Center. Then it will show you this page. You can easily click on this magnifying glass, then search here for suspended, then choose suspended account. It will show you here this page. You just have to click on disabled Instagram account. Then you should scroll down until you find here this option. Was this helpful? Click on no, then click on other, and tell them exactly what's your main problem. You can simply type for them that your account has been suspended and you want to get it back. After that, click on submit, and don't forget to type your account name. That was the first method. The second method is to simply go and open your browser also. Then search here for Instagram account disabled and click on the third option right here, or the second one, my Instagram account was deactivated. It will jump you directly to this page. Now you'll have to enter all these details, including the full name, the Instagram username, your email address, country, and down below right here, you'll have to upload your ID, whether you are having a license, a driving license, a passport, or even your normal national ID. You'll have to upload it. Then check this box and click on send, and they will probably get your account back activated. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.